Uprising with Felix Nomini.
Weekdays, 6 to 9
Actor and presenter. And the list can honestly go on and on and on and on. Lunga Shabalala!
Thank you so much for having me. It's so good to be back home. Yo, I haven't done this in a while.
Uphakeme nje.
Hey, no.
Selokuvela kuma-TV Nkosi yami akusafani.
Busy.
Hey, kwenziwa imali.
Hey, sathutha for a reason, angithi. So,
Ooh, yes.
I have to keep busy, yeah.
Let's start here. I need to make sure how this interview is gonna make, how it's gonna go, depending on your response.
Yeah.
Sirojiwe ngo Saturday noma sirojwanga.
Guys, obvious. Everyone saw that penalty.
Come on!
Every single person
Right.
saw that penalty.
Hey. So
Stevie Wonder saw that penalty.
Stevie
Yabo,
Wonder.
kodwa sikho lapho.
Yes.
Sedlulile, yeah.
Sesipholile.
Yeah.
Asinamona, but anyway, Sundowns, you're the true champions anyway.
Exactly.
Hashtag.
Exactly.
Lunga.
Minnie.
It's so good to have you.
Thank you for having
Firstly,
me.
you're doing so amazing. I'm going to kick it off with Lente Tendai. Everyone is watching it. Miss Education. Honestly, how do you even pull it off? An rower. I'm sure I know you went to your college.
Respect college, bro.
Yeah.
Like, hey, the red, black, and white. Shimlazi.
But come on, Olympian rower. How do you even start preparing for a role like that? Because the training must be insane.
It is a lot of hard work. Indengithandila but Burnt Onion, which is a production company that put Miss Education together. Ukuthi basinikile ithuba to just kind of grow into a character. Prior to that, I was actually shooting something else, Love, Sex and 30 Candles, which is also on Netflix. So I was going from playing a very toxic 30-year-old male to switching over to an adopted black kid.
In his early 20s.
Yes.
Come on.
Very, very young. Doesn't know a single vernacular word, in a completely different world, completely different genre of young adult drama / comedy.
Yes.
So when you're morphing into that, you need time. You need a lot of time. And if you really want to be true to your character, then you have to go through it. So we did rowing lessons for about a month.
Whoa.
For a month, yeah.
No wonder your arms look a bit bigger. Hey.
No. Ngazalwa nginje. No, ngazalwa nginje. Yeah, no, so we did that. We got together in a crew. So Ubuntu, who plays a character of Umbali, she was coming from Generations as well.
Yes.
So now I'm busy with that. So to kind of let go of that character and to find someone else,
Sure.
it takes time. It takes time to build that rapport. There's a lot of people. There's Uprising, who was playing Jay. He just came up from Joburg and was playing that character. So it's different people in different chapters of their of their lives. And we're trying to make this story about something that is removed from us.
Majority of you are grown.
Exactly. If I told people my age, but
Let's just say Google helps us. Go find it. What about Google? You'll see it.
There's no need to say it. I know the number. It's okay. Ngayazi number yam. So it's going back in time to that. It's preparation. But I think it worked out.
But maybe walk me through Usivu Nolunga, right?
Yeah.
I would say it shouldn't be too hard because of you went to a really good school, right? Where you are probably exposed to a Sivu at some point at school. But
Yes.
But how do you then make Lunga Shabalala meet Usivu?
So into that you have to think about with the character is
Ongazi njalo Usivu bani? Usivu guys igama la character ku Miss
Yeah.
Education lapha ku Netflix.
igama lakhe uSibuyile Levine. He is an adopted Olympic rower.
Rower, yes.
Yeah, Olympic rower. And he's adopted by a Jewish white family. So he's very far removed from the world of the average black person there in Mzansi, where you are struggling with varsity, you are struggling with the system having oppressed you in the past, so now you're playing catch up. Kimpilo has always been from a point of privilege. I haven't had that. So that is something that I had to connect with. And also, I matriculated in let's just say the World Cup wasn't even here when I matriculated.
Oh, stop it!
So it's been a while. It's been
Yeah.
a while since I was in that age group. And when I was 22, life was different to
Yeah.
I'm a 22-year-old right
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's trying to adapt to a culture of a 22-year-old in 2023. Kuhlukile the way that the people see the world.
Yeah.
Tina, we were told ukuthi izinto zinjena and you just kind of go along with it.
Yes.
Manje, there's pushback.
Yeah,
There's pushback. So
absolutely.
You're trying to find that. But in his essence, in his core, Usivu is a kid who's trying to become a man in a world where his identity has always been told to him. Bati, you are a golden boy. You are a rower. You
Sure.
are this. So once you take away that, who am I?
Sure.
Yabo. Ngoba isikhathi esiningi ukubona when you introduce yourself to umuntu uthi I am so and so, I'm this. I eminently I am the broadcaster on Ikakas. Lose your job tomorrow.
Who am I?
Who am I?
Hallelujah! Joining us now, we're talking to Lunga Shabalala, and he's here with great news. Great news after great news. Man. We're just talking about miseducation. And I was going through some of the comments. Yes, I was stalking you, cute. Wonke umuntu uyakhala kuthiwa mina ubonile lapha uLunga Shabalala amathathu ashonephi. Where are the tattoos on the guns?
Yeah.
Where are the tattoos, Lunga?
Okay, so that was probably the most irritating thing alento bengiyenza ukuthi character yami isn't quite the rebel that I grew up to be in my 20s. So my tattoos were not allowed, especially just to kind of box them and give them an identity of a pure boy. So I hlala about 2 hours every single morning on the makeup chair.
Sure.
It's like a sea panda land.
Wait, so what are
Because
you
I've got
putting
half
on?
a sleeve. We put on makeup. So the same way people put foundation on their faces.
Please.
Yeah. Yes, how, guys?
It's
How?
natural beauty.
Okay. All right, okay. Natural beauty, no filters on Instagram. What does he call up? So, yeah, sifaki foundation, sifaki makeup, just to
Sure.
cover it up for 2 hours. And throughout the day, ngoba pleasant is a smudge,
Yeah.
Through every single take, umuntu comes through just to keep putting it on. So, ube khona isikhathi but please can you if you, when you're acting, just don't do that. Just don't do this. So you're almost acting within a box. Yeah.
Because you're trying not to smudge.
Yeah, you're trying not to smudge.
And then there's continuity or something like that. And
Hey,
you're
man, come on. Evidently. Yeah.
Mkasheni,
Hamba nam.
mina ngicela uba iwind kaSivu. Yeah, I'll be the wind.
Okay.
So I can be a part of the show somehow.
All right. Okay,
Then
I got you, girl. Season 2, you there. Season 2, you there.
Okay, listen, we have to celebrate you. Horns are going on right now. Po, 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 po. You are going to be the host of Red Carpet Lapaya. Go Miss World. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's a big one. It's such a big one. And I want to say thank you very much to Carol Bauer who put this entire production together.
The one and only Carol Bauer.
The one and only Carol Bauer, this empire of a woman,
Sure.
got the rights to Miss World South Africa. And basically the concept or the idea behind Miss World South Africa is ukuthi the winner of this pageant that's happening on the 28th of October will get a chance to compete with the rest of the world at Miss World in December. So there are 12 finalists from all over the country who are coming together hoping to be the one who represents us on the global stage. Ngiyazi ukuthi lana KZN uTsuphetho Uluyanda and Zoe. So we, if as KZN, how do you say KZN Knights?
Yeah, my cousin nights.
Yeah. Sihlangene backing them to walk away with the big prize. And it's all about beauty with a purpose.
Yeah.
It's not just a pageant thing. Abaninga who have entered are doing different things outside of this. They are philanthropists, they are doctors, they are social workers, people who actually do something that impacts the human race and our country to put it in a better place. So we want that type of person to be the one who represents us and says, this is what East Africa brings to the world because this is what these people bring to our country.
I love that. Beauty with a purpose.
Yeah.
Shout out to Luyanda and Zoe. Go represent us. But I'm guessing le purpose needs to also be at a global perspective.
Yeah.
So we're no longer just zooming in on the problems of KZN.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm guessing sibuka inkinga esinazo South Africa and using maybe international ways of solving it and how we come together.
Yeah. The one thing I always say about these type of moments in someone's life, and I'm gonna call it a moment, is ukuthi, the moment you find yourself in a space where you have a platform to express yourself, take it.
Yeah.
Take it.
I love that.
Whether you win or not, the eyes of the country are on you. Push your purpose. Push your dream. Ngilana nje manje because I got that opportunity years ago, 2011. I saw it, I took it, and I ran with it.
Come on.
Now, but the 12 finalists who are doing this right now, this is your moment to shine. This is your moment to push your purpose. If you walk away with the crown, great. Then you get to do it at a bigger scale.
Come on.
But Manje,
Yeah.
the country is watching you.
Yes.
So tell us what you're bringing to the table and change your life and the lives of the people you're impacting right now.
Lunga Shabalala. Into yenza ngama-bars. Namhlanje ekuseni. I absolutely love that. Okay, siyakwazi ukuthi avuyi swenkist. The pressures is wesa.
Yeah.
Uzogqokani. Ungasiphoxi siyakwazi uyaswenka uzogqokani.
Yazi ngibuza manje, I'm actually having a fitting tomorrow.
Okay.
So angaz.
Where?
For now I don't know. But what I will tell you is I've never disappointed.
And you've
I've
never.
got a GQ award, guys. I know a thing or two about the coating.
You could always rock up topless. That could work as well.
Well,
I'm just saying. It's the least you could do for the woman of South Africa. It's Miss World South Africa.
I want to let the woman shine. I want to let every single woman shine. I want to let Unati shine. She's performing.
Yes.
I want to let Mina Dlamini do her thing. She's hosting us.
Is she the only host?
There's a couple of hosts as well who are also jumping on, but she will be the main host. She'll be carrying the show. So yeah, I want to let those people kind of do their thing. I want to let Yaya do her thing on the red carpet as well. It's a team effort.
Absolutely. So besibukile ngamehla tsenjo. So besibukile. Listen, what can we expect from the brand Lunga Shabalala? Ngoba siyabona uya actor kancane kancane. Netflix hayibo na ama red carpet. What's next? What could be next, Begunje?
Yo, I think 70 so far. Okay, in 2023 we have done Upatina Way 2, which is on ETV.
Yes.
We are back for another season. We start shooting in 2 weeks. You will find me on Netflix on Love, Sex and 30 Candles. Number 1 for 2 weeks. Miss Education. Still number 1 as we speak. And then there is another movie coming out late this year, if not early next year. Also on Netflix.
And you're not going to hint anything?
Working title, so I can't tell you what it is right now. Yeah.
Now we have
but I will tell you this much, that KZN would be very proud. I actually happen to be acting with someone who was my classmate in high school.
In real life?
In real life. We were classmates. We were in the same class. No. This is a star. Everyone knows Uspaki.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be fire,
Yeah,
guys.
so we're playing brothers in that one. So it's exciting. We're doing that. So many more other things. I am going behind the scenes for a while as well.
Wow.
Finally bringing my own product to the screens. So
I did say I'm really good at being the wind. Okay, can I be the water?
Well,
come on, Lunga.
You see the way things
okay,
are.
Wait.
You can be my intern.
Romeo. Oh, I want to.
I'll pay you in experience.
Please, before we let you go, we have to ask you at least one uncomfortable conversation.
Yeah.
Ushilo ukuthi yasebenza wenza A B C D. Uchola nini?
Hey man.
Yeah,
hey,
right. What's going on there side, Madam Jala?
Hey man.
When you Jala? When you're always there by the screen. Action.
Yeah,
cut.
It's like my brother. Hey man.
That is not an answer, Lunga. That's not an answer.
I am married to my career right now.
Yeah. That is the sweetest, saddest thing I've ever heard.
Sweet
and sad. Lunga, thank you so much for coming through, man.
Thank you.
We love you. We appreciate you. Keep doing good. Please keep flying the KZN flag high. And sifisela konke okuhle nawe ufisela khona.
Thank you so much.
All right, bye.